Okay, once again, warm welcome, my dear students. So we are here in the second part of our video. So here we are going to discuss about the physiography of India. Okay, in the previous video we have already completed, we have already discussed about the location and the political division of India. So here in this video, particular video, we will only cover the physiography of India. Okay, under physiography of India, we will discuss the first one, that is Himalayas or the northern mountains. Okay, you all know that the physiography is the subfield of the physical geography that study the physical patterns and processes on the earth. Okay, so if we look into the physiography of India, then India can be divided into 6 major physical regions. Okay, please look into the map. The first one is our northern mountains, this whole mountain region, northern mountain. The second one is the northern plains. Then we have a plateau of peninsular India. Then we have a coastal plain here, coastal plain you all can see. Then we have a Indian deserts. Okay, then lastly we have a 2 island groups, Andaman Nicobar and the Lakshadweep island group. So these all are the 6 distinct physical region of India. Okay, now we will discuss one by one. The first one, see the northern mountain. Northern mountain, this is the region of towering Yongfold mountains that stretches in a wide sweeping arc across this north and the northeastern India. Okay, from here to here, effectively isolating the country from rest of your Asia. Very important physical features. It plays a very important role as a boundary also. It has a climatic influence also. Okay, this northern mountains can be further divided into 3 major mountain system. Okay, we are only dealing with the northern mountains, the Himalayas, the first one, northern mountains. Now we will see what are the 3 major or 3 mountain system of northern mountain. Okay, that is your Himalayan ranges. The first one is Himalayan ranges. Then Trans-Himalayan ranges. The first one is Trans-Himalayan ranges. Then we have Himalayan ranges. Then the last one we have Purvanchal hills. Okay, see the Himalayan ranges. Okay, Himalayan ranges, the Trans-Himalayan ranges that lie north of the Himalayas. This all are the Himalayas that lie north of the Himalayas, run parallel to it. They include the Ladakh range. You see the numbering here in the map, 1, 2, 3. It's given for the Karakoram range. Then Ladakh range, we have a Jaskar range and the Kailas range. Okay, so this 4 are the important mountain ranges of our Trans-Himalayan ranges. Okay, and here we have a very important peak in this range only, the Trans-Himalayan range only. If you remember, we have already discussed about the K2, Mount K2, or we called it Godwin Austen. Okay, that is the second highest peak in the world, that lies in the Karakoram range, which is a part of our Trans-Himalayan ranges. Okay, now next we have a Himalayan ranges. The Himalayan ranges, again another very important ranges. See this Himalayan ranges. This Himalayan ranges. Okay, this Himalayan ranges, the Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges in the world, of many chains of Yongfold mountain that radiate from the Pamir knot. If you all can recapitulate the previous chapter, we have a Pamir knot which act as the focal point, or from where the different mountain ranges of the Asia has been radiated. Okay, and this Himalayan ranges stretches across North India for almost here 2,500 kilometer, and the width of the Himalayas from your north to south, this north to south extension, width of this Himalayas from north to south varies from here 200 to 400 kilometer. Okay, the Himalayan system, again this Himalayan system consists of three distinct ranges. Okay, the Himadri, Himachal and the Sikh ranges. Okay, see here, Himadri, Himachal and Shivaliks. Okay, this Himadri, which means the Greater Himalayas, also known as the Greater Himalayas, Himachal, this means the Lesser Himalayas, also known as Lesser Himalayas. Then we have a Shivaliks or the Outer Himalayas. Okay, so these all are the different types of the ranges. Okay, Himadri, Himachals and the Shivaliks. Okay, okay, now we will see Greater Himalayas or the Himadri. Okay, the Greater Himalayas or Himadri. Okay, here are the some facts. Okay, where is their important which is the important mountain peaks. Okay, name, height of the different mountain peaks, the area it covers, all the informations are here, you can go through it, but I will explain with the help of the map. Okay, this Himadri or the Greater Himalayas, okay, this is the highest and the northernmost range of the Himalayas, the highest and the northernmost range of the Himalayas. Okay, it extends across the North India from the northwest to southwest. Okay, from your northwest to southwest. Okay, the total length of the range is close to your 2300 kilometer, although the average height of the range is 6100 meter. Okay, some of them are Mount Everest. Mount Everest everyone know. Sagarmatha, also known as the Sagarmatha, located in Nepal. Then Kanchenjunga, you all can see the Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga here in the Sikkim Darjeeling region. Then Nanga Parbat. Then we have Annapurna, which is also located in here, Nepal. Then we have another important Nanda Devi. Okay, this all are the Nanda Devi, you can see here, Nanda Devi, Dhaulagiri, then Kanchenjunga, then we have a Nanda Devi, Nanga Parbat. These all are the important mountain ranges of this Greater Himalaya or Himadri. Okay, of these mountains, the Mount Everest, the highest mountain of the world, and Dhaulagiri, that lies in where? Nepal. Okay, Kanchenjunga lies partly in Nepal and partly in India, in Sikkim, and Nanga Parbat lies in where? Nanga Parbat, Pakistan. Okay, Nanda Devi is the among all this peak, the peak that lie completely in India is Nanda Devi and Kanchenjunga. Okay, Nanda Devi is the tallest one. Okay, not Kanchenjunga, only Nanda Devi. Okay, thus the Himadri contains some of the tallest peak in the world. Okay, this important fact you need to remember, this snow covered mountains are the source of many glacier. Of such glacier is your Gangotri glacier. You all know that the source of the river Gangotri is one of such glacier. Okay, from which the river Ganga originates. Okay, so this is all about the Greater Himalayas or Himadri. Now let's move to the Himachal or what I said, Lesser Himalayas. Himachal or the Lesser Himalayas. Okay, now see the Himachal or the Lesser Himalayas. Okay, see all the important peaks, everything is given here, but let us see in the map. This range lie to the south of the Himadri. Okay, Himadri, then we have a Himachal. Okay, south of the Himadri has an average height of 4,500 meter. It consists of your Pir Panjal, you all can see there, Dauladhar ranges. Okay, the two important ranges are Pir Panjal or the Dauladhar ranges. Okay, they extend across this. See, this region is Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, then some parts in Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Okay, among these ranges are some of the beautiful valleys of India like Kashmir, the Kulu Valley, okay, Kangra Valley, and hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Manali, even Darjeeling. Even Darjeeling is a part of your Himachal or the lesser Himalayas. Below thick evergreen forest. Okay, so this is all about the Himachal or the lesser Himalayas. Okay, now let us discuss about the Shivaliks. This is also one of the very beautiful part of our Himalayan system, Himalayan mountain system. Okay, Shivaliks, see this whole ranges below the Himachal. First we have Himadri, Himachal, then Shivaliks. Okay, this ranges extend northwestward for about 1,600 kilometers from through Nepal, Uttar Pradesh. See, every going this green line you all can see, Sikkim, Nepal, Uttar Pradesh, then each will reach up to your Uttarakhand, then it will go up to your Pakistan. Okay, one very interesting fact about the Shivaliks. Okay, please listen very carefully. Its elevation, Shivaliks, its elevation ranges from your 900, almost 900 to 1200 meter. Okay, one important thing you need to remember, this Shivaliks is not a continuous ranges and it is broken in many places. Okay, here it is broken in many places. Okay, such broken places are actually, these all are broken by valley, and that valley is heard about Dehradun. Dehradun is a hill station in one such valley. Okay, this region is a home to both broadleaf deciduous trees like oak and beech, and evergreen coniferous trees like deodar and the pine. Okay, so from here you all can understand this is a very attractive place for the tourist. Okay, it looks very beautiful. The hill stations, most of the hill stations like Dehradun and other important valleys are located in this Shivalik ranges. Okay, and one more important thing, at the foothill of the Shivaliks lies the Tarai region. In the foothill of the Shivaliks, there is a Tarai region. Okay, this Tarai region zone, or this Tarai region or this land is categorized by swamps. Okay, here you all can see the tall sal forest. Okay, and the place is very beautiful, and it is naturally very resourceful. It is inhabited by the variety of the wild animals. Okay, in some of the places the forest has been clear for the rice cultivation and the animal rearing, but still the place is naturally very resourceful. It looks very beautiful, very dense forest you will get to see in this Tarai region, in the foothills of the Shivaliks. Okay, now we will see the important, the Purvanchal hills, one of the very interesting Purvanchal hills. Okay, very interesting. Okay, you all see from Arunachal Pradesh, the Himalayas bend and run southward as the Purvanchal. From the word only you all can understand it is the hills which is located in our northeastern region of India. Purva, east. Okay, Anchal means hills. northeastern region. It covers the Purvanchal hills, mainly covers here northeastern region of India. Okay, now see this region, okay, it main ranges in India are here. You all can see in the map. Somewhere here it is not showing properly. Okay, here, Patkai Berm, you all can see here. Where it has gone? Patkai Bomb, okay, then Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, Tripura Range, okay, Barail Range, the Dafla, okay, these all Lusai Hills from Lusai Hills, which makes the boundary between India and Myanmar, okay. The Purvanchal, this Purvanchal Hills merge with Meghalaya Plateau in the west here. Meghalaya Plateau in the west, okay. The Garo Hills, the Khasi Hills, the Jayantia Hills lie on the Meghalaya Plateau, okay. The Garos, the Jayantiyas here, the Garo, Jayantia and your Khasi Hills that lies in your Meghalaya Plateau. So the Purvanchal Hills, you just need to remember, it is the hills which mainly covered our northeastern states of our India, okay. Another important, sorry, another important features, that is passes, okay, passes. This is also important. There are many passes in the Himalayan ranges which enable people to travel and carry on their trade across the northern mountains, okay. Through these passes, though these passes at the very high altitude and remain snow covered most of the year, they are often the only means of the communication across these towering ranges, okay. We have lots of places like Jojila, you all can see the Jojila Pass. The word La means pass, okay, in Tibetan. Then it connects the Srinagar to Leh, okay. Here in the map also you all can see this Shiplikla Pass. Then we have a Bamdila Pass. In Sikkim we have a Nathula Pass, okay, that connects Tibet to Sikkim. Then we have a Bamdila that connects Arunachal Pradesh to Bhutan. Then Jojila, which connects Srinagar to Leh Ladakh. This passes, this is actually a road or it means means of communication, okay. So these passes are also now the important features of our northern mountain system, okay. The pictures you all can see, okay. Now the very important part of our topic, the importance of the northern mountain, okay. Why it is very important to know about the northern mountain system, okay. First of all, northern mountains form a natural boundary separating India from the Central Asia. First, they play a very important role as a boundary. Then second one is they affect the climate of India in two ways. The first one, they block the moisture laden winds to rise, bringing heavy rainfall to the Himalayan foothills and to the northern plains of India, okay. And another important climatic influences, they also prevent the cold winds of Central Asia from entering India in winter season, okay. Then another importance of the northern mountain system is that the melting of the snow on the mountains gives rise to the perennial rivers, like your perennial river, like your Indus, the river Ganga, river Brahmaputra. These all are the perennial river, which means they will not which means they are, you know, they flow throughout the year, okay. They don't have any seasonal influences. These rivers are known as the perennial rivers. Then the forest resource, okay, the forest slopes of these mountains are storehouse of your timber and variety of medicinal herbs. They are also home to your many wild animals, so it makes our forest resource very effective or very resourceful, okay. Then another one, the major tourist destination, okay, which is also very important part to include. The mountains and the valleys, this attract the tourists from all over the world, okay. We have a very important, very famous tourist destination like Shimla, Srinagar, even Darjeeling, Mussoorie are these some of the very famous or popular tourist spots. Okay, so for this region the northern mountain system is very important. Okay, so this is all about the northern mountain system. So in the next video we will start with the northern plains. Okay, so this much for today. Stay safe.